a being of love. I feel deep acceptance of myself. My heart is strong and I am able to hold on to love. I give love to myself and others. I am becoming loving towards myself and others. I feel pink light of love flowing out from my heart, encircling me and flowing to others. As I feel this, I am attracting love to myself. I am a rose with beautiful fragrance. I draw the love of others as they come to appreciate my loving openness and beauty. I open my heart completely to love. I let go of the doubts and fears. I am a being of love and I radiate divine love through me freely and openly. My heart is a rose offering gentle fragrance without conditions and expectations. I am whole. I am complete. I am a being of love and light.